Linus Torvalds of Linux kernel fame just published a new repository, so let's take a look at it. Here it is, Torvalds/guitar pedal. And I don't know exactly when this was published, but the commits here are from 16 hours ago, with some being as recent as 7 hours ago. And 7 hours seems to be about when it was published. So what is this repository for? Well, if we take a look, the README itself states that it is a random guitar pedal board design repository with some background on exactly what this does and some of the design decisions made. And this really just has a bunch of different designs for guitar pedals, at least that's how I understand it. This is a KiCad file, which is a free and open source circuit design kind of program. To be honest, I'm not super familiar with it. And really, this isn't significant at all, but given the fact that it's made by Linus himself, a person who we all know, and is very well known, of course, for his work on Linux, this already has a decent amount of attention. Already 3 forks, 155 stars, some pull requests already to fix the markdown links, because apparently they are currently broken due to using an incorrect syntax, and a few issues exist here already. And this actually isn't the first time that Linus has published something like this, so if we go to his GitHub page, he already had this repository here for a design for the 1590A. So this is the same enclosure, or this is also a guitar pedal enclosure. I'm not sure if it's the same one that's used in this repository. But it's essentially the same thing, just some designs. And this one got a little bit of attention, a few stars, some forks, some watches. No issues or pull requests. Some that are actually closed. Let's see. Let's take a look at these, see if there's anything useful here. Yeah, it looks like there is actually some kind of discussion going on. So, for once, it's not filled with spam. Unfortunately, with Guitar Pedal, to be honest, I did see this on Reddit, which means that I suspect that this will have some very low-quality contributions to it in the form of issues, pull requests, and so on. And if you're watching this video, please don't spam Linus unless you actually have meaningful contributions to make here. And I suspect that 99% of you probably don't. But yeah, that's basically it. Is this newsworthy? No, not at all. But it's Linus. So there you go. Thanks for watching.